Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, this is our day 2 blog on the Bliss. So yesterday was a nice day. We had a great day. We started the day by watching the sunrise about 6:15. We got a couple pictures of that. Then I went for a run and Joan kept sleeping. Of course. And then we went
Vacation.
up to the buffet. We had a little breakfast. The breakfast buffet was okay. It was good, standard cruise buffet. Nothing fancy. After that, we went and did some of the shopping. They had some deals. Joan bought something.
You know, you get your free bracelet.
So she got her bracelet.
Sucker.
But what was cool was after that, because we finally made platinum status with NCL, we got to do a behind-the-scenes tour. Now that was okay. It was about an hour long, and they took us for a walk. Let's see, where did we go first? We went to the galley first, and then we had to turn the camera off, so there's no real pictures after we did the galley. We had to turn the camera off. They took us what they called the I-95 corridor. So basically it goes from one end of the ship to the other. It's got a bunch of rooms and stuff like that. And then they took us in the laundry. We got to turn the camera back on, and we got some pictures in the laundry, and they showed us how they did all the laundry. And then we had to turn the camera off again because we went in that I-95 corridor, and then they took us over to the theater, and they showed us the behind-the-scenes stuff. Again, they wouldn't let us film in there or take pictures, and that was actually pretty cool. So they explained how they do the set changes and the costume changes.
Let's see all the costumes for 6, the costumes for Jersey Boys, the wigs, the costumes. They explain how they do quick changes. So.
Yeah, it was actually pretty interesting. And then we got to take a walk back, and then we got to see some of the behind-the-scenes stuff on how the ship actually works, how people get up and down, and how the crew gets across the ship from one end to the other. When we're in our hallways, they have their own hallway. And then after that, we did some more exploring of the ship, and then decided to go grab some lunch. We had a quick bite for lunch, and then we decided, well, what are we going to do? We decided to go hit the spa, since we did buy the thermal spa package, and we went and hung out in the spa for a couple hours.
Always nice.
And relaxed, and got a steam and a solarium, and I went in the snow room. I got some good pictures of that. And then after that, we decided to go ride the water slides. I did the drop one a couple times.
The aqua loop.
So that was pretty fun. And then after that, we went back to the spa for another half hour, 45 minutes before we went to dinner.
Because the hot tubs and everything was pretty full, so.
And it was the pool deck was crowded yesterday.
And all the hot tubs were full. Even in Spice H, went up to Spice H2O to check that out, and their hot tubs were pretty packed. So we decided, we'll go use our own hot tub in the thermal
where
suite.
it wasn't.
So
it was not that packed at the thermal
just a
suite.
few people there. It's always nice.
And then went back to the room, got cleaned up. We went to Tekanaki for dinner. Enjoyed the Tekanaki for dinner. That was fun. Joan had the chicken. I had the steak and shrimp. Good choices.
We had our wine.
We got, because we are platinum, we were able to use the little certificate to get a free bottle of wine also. So we had a bottle of Riesling with our dinner. That was very nice. We killed the whole thing.
Yep.
And we went walking around. We had some time, and then we decided, we found the buffet and had some ice cream up at the buffet. Some of the soft serve, always good. Can't complain about that. And then we went and watched 6 at 9:30.
Very good.
And that was very good. Nice show. Second time we've seen it, but just as good as the first time, I think. And then after that, we kind of called it a day. We went and got another drink, sat down, relaxed for a few minutes, and then went back up to the room. The clocks did shift last night, so at 2 became 3 because we were pulling in the Cabo for day 3. So that's our day 2 blog. Hope you guys like it.
Hope you like this. Hope you get you some information. Please comment below. We like your comments. Let us know what you think. What interested you. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And
so this is Chris
and Joan
from Chris and Joan's Travels. Have a good day. Bye.
And maybe we'll show you a little bit of Cabo.
There we go.
Sneak peek for tomorrow.